5 fall fun facts.
Did you know that scarecrows have been used for over 3,000 years to scare birds away from crops? Now you know. Did you know that the world's largest pumpkin weighed just over 2,000 pounds? Well, now you know. Did you know an average semi-load of wheat can make around 42,000 loaves of bread? Well, now you know. Did you know apples are a member of the rose family? Well, now you know. Did you know that the first basketball goals were actually bushel baskets? Well, now you know. Yes! Around here we call that bringing in the harvest.